Om Shanti. Today's topic is full means an image decorated with the ornaments of virtues. Om Shanti. God's sweet version. Sweet child, you have to remain constantly intoxicated in love. That is, lovelin, absorbed in love. You thought and it happened. Practice this. If you are a master almighty authority, then practice so that you had the thought and you experienced it. Bring the treasure of elevated thoughts in your form. When you do any elevated action, you are decorated, aren't you? A decorated and adorned image is also an auspicious sign. Therefore, if you are constantly available to do auspicious actions, then you are constantly decorated with the ornaments of virtues. Do not keep your elevated thoughts locked in the safe of your intellect. Become full with all virtues, a constantly decorated image with virtues. This is what is known as 16 types of decorations, meaning 16 celestial degrees complete. How can such children of the most elevated Father, those souls who are always wedded, always fortunate, remain without decorations? The sign of being wedded is also a decoration, and the sign of a royal clan is also decoration. So, who are you? The ones who belong to the clan of the one who makes us kings of kings and who are constantly wedded. Therefore, become a spiritual image adorned with the ornaments of virtues. Full means embodiment of all attainments. To belong to the Father means to become one who flies with blessings. Bring these blessings in your practical life and you will never be left behind. You will keep moving forward. If you have the company of the Almighty Authority Father, you will go ahead with every step. Remain complete yourself and also serve to make others complete. Let there not be anything lacking. Embodiment of all attainment. This is what is known as complete. Let there not be any type of obstacle that can stop your progress. Those with a flying stage cannot come into any kind of bondage. They become free from all bondages. Do you experience yourself to be an elevated soul who is an embodiment of all the attainments? Only those who are the embodiments of attainments can make others have all attainments. Receiving is merged in giving. Now, by looking at your brothers and sisters who are beggars, you do have mercy, don't you? When you have the stage of one who has arrived to the godly attainments, then you reach your aim. Constantly you sing just this one song. I attained that what I had to attain. To attain means to be complete. Have you become complete to that extent? Or will you become that by the time destruction happens? If time makes you complete and perfect, then is the creation or the creator powerful? So, you mustn't become something according to the time, but you have to bring the time close. You are not those who wait for time. Since you have attained, those who have the happiness of having attained always remain ever ready. If destruction were to take place tomorrow, would you be ready? Or do you want a little time? Have you passed in being ever ready? In being a destroyer of attachment and an embodiment of remembrance? The meaning of ever ready is to be a destroyer of attachment and an embodiment of remembrance. Or will you remember at that moment, I wonder what my children are doing and where are they? What will become of the little grandchildren? If destruction takes place, is this what you would remember? Would you remember that your husband should be benefited, that your grandchildren should be benefited, that they should also be brought here? What will happen to my business? Where will my money go? What will happen if all the roads break? Be alert. The paper will come suddenly. Om Shanti.